In fact, when Najam got in touch with me and asked me if you would be available to come and speak, I said, oh yes. And the oh yes was largely because MCC, honestly. So, trust me, you guys are shouting from inside, I'm saying, ooh. Well, that's how I'm feeling right now. Okay. To just give you a tidbit of what I do, because there's so many speakers, there's so many people who came and inspired you, spoke about so many things, and all of you had those goosebump moments of yours, cheering and hooting and the very traditional, which is nice to see. By the way, happy Children's Day to everybody again. Even though this wish doesn't make sense to you because you're already capable of And in India, November 14th is not Children's Day. It's every day when there's a power cut. Okay, and testimony of our population, I'm sure, is good proof enough, isn't it? I was a very slow child when I was born. I'm the first in the house, in the family, and I have a younger brother. But when my younger brother was born, he was fast in everything. I came first and he overtook literally in education to everything, and I was a very slow child. I was an introvert and I never thought I would do any good in my entire life. Searched. And then when I finished my school, I heard the same story that many of you must be hearing right now. That same traditional Indian song. It is Pad le beti, pad le beta. If you don't study, which college? And then you said, yay, studied college. And Mount MCC. And then the song changed. The song was, Ab to pad lo. Like you did not study your entire past. Ab to pad lo. Because now it's crucial. If you don't study, how will you get a Thank you, job. And I can promise you, get a job, the song is going to change. Thank you so much. Marriage. And considering what India does best after marriage, the song is also going to change. I often tell this to people, that school, knowingly, unknowingly, ruined us. And I love my school. I love my teachers as much as you do. That's one of the reasons why in school Teachers' Day was like the best event, isn't it? We celebrated them, we worshipped them. And of course we do now also. But the love is unconditional because we're very naive, we're very, very young. We didn't even know how to make a lot of things. But one of the reasons why I say school ruined us is because school prepares us only for two things, and I'm very happy that I'm actually facing an audience who would have not done both, that is engineers and doctors. It's like, it's only those two rivers that really exist and nothing else actually exists. In fact, when I asked myself this question, why do I have to even walk into this auditorium and talk to you guys, I said to myself only one thing. Probably I might use this little time that I've given to help you come here. If not today, if not tomorrow, if not day after tomorrow, eventually I want all of you to come here and I want all of you to stand here. Because what I have for you is important for you. And my only request to you guys is that whatever I'm going to tell you, for the little time that they've given me, trust me, it's very little. I can introduce myself for 1.5 hours. They've given me 7 to talk about everything. Okay. So I want you to go and tell this to everybody. And of course, I want you to go and share it. Because it's not for you only. This is for every cousin that you have in your house or brother that you have or anybody. And the fact that every speaker has come here and said share it, they're not paying me. Because somebody commented that, oh, they're paying them, man. No. This is my love to you and the good love. Not the other love. Just be safe, okay? I'll definitely be. Look, every time I ask my audiences, I run a company called Leaders Ladder, and I said, मेरे को एक ही चीज करनी है जिंदगी में. I said, I'm not going to go to any other place. I'm going to go to the one place which will make my country, which is you. You're the future of this country, because if you are good, the future of my country is fantabulous. Isn't it? And when I started walking to different colleges, in fact, Balaji was my student, Najam was my student, and it's amazing to see them actually do such amazing things, right? Now, and I asked this one common question, which I'm inching to ask. The question is, I always walk in to every course, and I ask, what course? And they say, engineering, BBM, and the new Mal Bech ke aao. You know what that is, no? MBA. And when I ask them, oh, MBA, oh, BBM, oh, BCom, ah, nice. But why are you doing what you're doing? And they usually give me this look. Out of syllabus. It sounds more like that, because nobody, I'm going to say nobody says it, but it's very rare that actually people tell me. And I tell people also that if this is the way you want to live your life, honestly, don't get married. Trust me, don't get married. Because after a few years, when that conversation happens with your parents where they identify which gender you prefer, and then finally fix your marriage, and when the D-Day comes and by mistake you invite me for your wedding, and I do walk into your wedding, I stand right next to you on that well-lit glittery stage and I ask you, why are you getting married? You know what your reaction will be? Yeah, right? Mummy se पूछ के बताऊंगा. You're not Rahul Gandhi. And you can't also, because mummy से पूछने से पहले पता नहीं क्या क्या हो जाएगा. And before you even realize, you're going to live your life where after 4 years, 3 years, you're going to have small hot spots running like straight next to you and wondering, I didn't know. I want you to ask one question right now, and I want you to get an answer and walk out. That is, I do agree that you are all part of a big party called MCC. You're doing great stuff for yourself. Yes. Yeah. But I want you to ask this question. अरे पढ़ रहे हो तो क्यों कर रहे हो? Because you know how much you love studying. You know, when somebody speaks to you about studying, you get goosebumps, right? You know what bothers me the most? I still remember after finishing my education, when I got the opportunity to be on the other side. I happened to pass by one of the classrooms in one of the colleges that I trained, and I was watching students write exam. पहली बार देखा. I said, hey, ऐसा होता है. Yeah, nice. And then when they finished their entire exam, I remembered something, because it looked very similar to something else. Because every student walks into an examination hall like they have loose motion. Here. And they try to vomit everything that they've partially eaten. शुक्र करो यहाँ से आता है, वहाँ से आता तो partially eaten, पता नहीं क्या होता. Huh? And then finally, after everything, when they finish their entire exam, that relief. Only this is missing in the morning, because the expressions are more like, that heaviest, amazing dump of your early morning ritual. That's how I equate to. Look, as much as your love and hate relationship that you have towards your exams, but I can promise you one thing. Your education is only going to kickstart your entire career. But your entire future is based on something else. It's skills. Because you know what you need to do? Everybody who's here in the first row, everybody who came here celebrated their skills more than their knowledge. Because if you ask all of these people, they will never tell you, what's your favorite moment of your college? That math class, oh my God, I loved it. I believe in this, and I strongly believe, because I, for a very long time, lived my entire life thinking, I'm a nobody. For the past 50 years, the way I've lived my life, Okay, you also don't know. I've been using this soap for 30 years called Santoor. Do you remember that, no? Mummy? And I can't believe that all of you actually were like 50. I thought I was clear. Married. 50 ho, 30 ho. Nahi gali ki dal. Game over. And I don't play 2 games in one mobile phone. Look, all of you are different. One of the reasons why I say school system ruined us is because you were not made for roads. And they were pushing you and saying, Salah, theek se chala gaadi. You were made for boats. You were made to fly. You were made to do great things. Please don't get stuck in how world is going to define you. Define it yourself. Please don't get stuck by this subject is my weakness, that subject is my weakness. Are degree ka achar daloge kya? Or are you going to frame that degree and then go everywhere and say ki dekho mere paas bhi hai degree. As much as you're going to enjoy your entire college, I want you to enjoy, have that love-hate relationship with education, and also please find out what you're made of. Because if all of you want to be successful, success, you know how you get it? Very simple. I think they're going to already shout saying ki bas kar de. You know how success is achieved? Very simple. I'm going to give you one of the best things that your mother does for your future. Because the best advice for your future, you can get it from your mom itself. She's that one woman who is doing a job which has no appraisal, no bloody appreciation, does all the cooking, and you go and say, Namak nahi tha kya? 200 rupees kilo mein mil raha to dala nahi. Huh? You know how your mom cooks? This is how you need to build your future. Because, for example, say I am not a cook, okay, and I want to make chicken biryani. Paneer dal do. Cheat code. The veg, non-veg. Okay. I can't go stand in the kitchen and say chicken biryani and the ingredients say, oh, I need to go ready, find out what it takes to make the chicken biryani, ingredients, and then say, ab kya? And then probably catch hold of the best cook I've ever met, my wife, and ask her. Oh, okay. Demand there, nahi, wife bolti. And ask her, ki, please, no. You don't do anything because I don't like her cook. Because I don't like it when women have to go home, spend their extra hours, and really cook for that lazy fart who's sitting and watching news. When there's a tomato, why do you need tomato? Order karo na. Bahar jao. That's what I do. And see, the reason I'm saying this is because if I know the ingredients, I know how to at least start the process. And if I cook regularly, I know how to make the chicken biryani and one day serve that and take all your money with 400 rupees profit. It's called a restaurant. Life is nada only. You need to go first identify what do you have inside you. What are your ingredients? What are your skills? What are you good at? And then go and ask, isko milaye kaise? And how do you actually even mix it? And once you're done and then you go sell it to your market, no? People will beg for you. Aao na, 7 minute ke liye. As much as I love talking, I want to leave you with only one message. Go find your shine. Because your knowledge might paint you, but your skills will chisel you. Because do you want to be a wall painted or do you want to be a sculpture sculpted? Choice is yours. Because if you want to be a wall painted, someday they'll change you like the 500,000 rupee notes. And if you want to be a sculpture, then note naye ho ya purane, you'll be standing there like that. And then huh? What do you want to be? Wall or sculpture? So what do you need to find? skills, and go and share it. So everybody is in the mood for sharing it. And before I leave, thank you so much for fulfilling my bachelor dream. Tears are rolling inside because they can't come outside. And everybody have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for being such a fantabulous audience. Thank you.
MCC, did you all love him?
And I did not know that they actually have the slides that they have put up. I hate it when people forget my name, and I also hate it when people get my name wrong. Okay, so before I leave, I'm going to do what I should have actually done before, if this works. That's my name. My name is Muhammad Yunus, and I want all of you to remember my name as Yunus. And you know.